guys, welcome to Ecemile Türkçe. In this video, we will learn how to form questions in nominal sentences. We will do a lot of question suffixes. So if you're not sure what I'm talking about, please visit the question suffixes video and then come back here as we'll be building on that, okay? Building on that knowledge. And after watching this video, you can get free access to your exercise sheet. The link is in the description below. And as usual, please like, subscribe, and write comments if you feel like it. That will help me continue to this journey with you. So, if you are ready, we can begin. As you know, question suffixes are m, mi, mu, and mü. We have done some examples, such as when we wanted to say bunlar kitap, right? These are books. And when we wanted to say, are these books? How do we say that? Bunlar kitap mı, right? Bunlar kitap mı? We were looking at the noun that comes before mı, mi, mu, mü. As the last vowel is a in kitap, we added mı this time. Bunlar kitap mı, right? Or for example, when we looked at orası bahçe, right? That place is a garden. And now we wanted to say, is that place a garden, right? We turned that into a question. How do we do that in Turkish? Orası bahçe mi? Orası bahçe mi? Bahçe, the last vowel, and in fact the last letter is e. That's why we used mi for this occasion. And it became orası bahçe mi? Is that place a garden? So this time we will learn how to use mı, mi, mu, mü for personal pronouns as well. So we will conjugate mı, mi, mu, and mü. Let's begin with mı. The suffixes are the same. For ben, we will use or yım. As mı ends with ı, which is a vowel, and our suffix is also starting with a vowel, we will now use the buffer letter y. So it will be mıyım, mısın, mı. In o, there is no suffix because we don't conjugate it, as you know. Biz mıyız, sınız, mılar, no. The only thing here is that if the personal pronoun is onlar, we don't add the personal suffix after the mı. We keep it with the noun. We will see some examples, so don't worry about that. If the last vowel is e or i, we need mi, right? So it will be miyim, misin, mi, miyiz, misiniz, miler, no. Again, we will keep that personal suffix with the noun. We will just write mi. If the last vowel is o or u, we need mu. And it will be muyum, musun, mu, muyuz, musunuz, not mular, just mu. And if the last vowel is ö or ü, we will use mü. And it will be müyüm, müsün, mü, müyüz, müsünüz, mü. Let's see some examples. In the very first video of the nominal sentences, we have learned how to say I am short, right? It was ben kısayım, right? Why? Because kısa, the last vowel is a, and in fact the last letter is a. It ends with a vowel. We now want to add the personal suffix ben kısayım. Now we take that suffix and add it to the question suffix. So it will become ben kısa mıyım? Ben kısa mıyım? Am I short? Sen kısa mısın? Sen kısa mısın? O kısa mı? Biz kısa mıyız? Siz kısa mısınız? Onlar kısa mı? Or onlar kısalar mı? So now let's form questions and answer them together. So I want to say, are you a hardworking person? Are you hardworking? So hardworking means çalışkan, çalışkan. Sen çalışkan. The last vowel is a. That's why I need mı. It is sen çalışkan mı? Personal suffix sın, sin, sun, sün. Because we choose mı, now the last vowel is ı, and I will add sın, right? Sen çalışkan mısın? As an answer, if I want to say yes, how do I say it? Evet, ben çalışkan. Now I need the personal suffix for ben. My options are im, üm. Evet, ben çalışkanım, right? It's because çalışkan, last vowel is a, so I use Ben çalışkanım. And as you know, the ben is in parentheses because when you say çalışkanım, it's already I am hardworking. If I want to give a negative answer from the previous video, we know it now. Ben çalışkan değilim. Değilim. This time, we added the personal suffix at the end of değil. So to summarize all the learnings, in a positive sentence, we add the personal suffix to the end of the noun. İyi, üzgün, mutlu, çalışkan, right? If it is a negative sentence, we leave the noun behind. We take değil, ben çalışkan değil, and then we add the personal suffix. And if it is a question, positive question, then we add the personal suffix at the end of the question suffix. Sen çalışkan mısın? We moved the personal suffix at the end of the question suffix mı in this case. So this person says, hayır, no, ben çalışkan değilim. I am not hardworking. Tembelim. Tembel is lazy. Last vowel is e. That's why to conjugate for first person singular, ben, we will need im. Tembelim. I am lazy. Fine. Now let's learn how to form a negative question. Same logic. As you know, in question sentences, we add the personal suffix at the end of the question suffix. We follow the same path. We will say değil, mi, and then the personal suffix. In our case, we want to say, aren't you a hardworking person, or aren't you hardworking? So we will say sen çalışkan değil mi? Question. Sin. Conjugating for sen. Second person singular. If the person is right about you, if you want to say, yes, I'm not hardworking, then you can say, evet, ben çalışkan değilim. Negative plus personal suffix, tembelim. I am lazy. Or if you want to prove this person wrong, you can say, hayır, no, ben çalışkanım. Hayır, ben çalışkanım. No, I'm hardworking. Now let's move on to the quiz. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and write your feedback or questions in the comments below. Thank you so much again, and don't forget your exercise sheet. See you in the next video.